future fades, and darkness has turned to gray. Watching through windows, you're wondering if I'm okay. Secret stolen from deep inside. The drum beats out of time. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. If you fall, I'll catch you. I will be waiting. Time after time. Hello, I'm Vasco, and today I'll show you how I'm playing Time After Time by Cyndi Lauper. In the original key, on a high G string ukulele. Grab yours and let's go. Okay, the song pretty much has three parts. The first one is the intro, which also after that we are using as an interlude, and it starts with F to G to E minor and back to F. And we're repeating these two times. F to G to E minor to F. In the intro I'm just doing one down strum on every chord, but in the interlude I'm doing a little picking, the one that you heard in the intro, which I'll show you in a little bit, but before that let's go through the parts. So the verse is basically D minor to C. I'm doing strumming pattern something like down, down, up, down, up, but on up, down, up, I'm changing to the other chord. And also not only here, but after that in the chorus we have bars that are splitted between two chords. And wherever we see these splitted bars, we're doing on the first chord down, down, and on the second one up, down, up. Which makes the first chord a little bit shorter than the second one. And it is contributing to the feel of the song, which I think it's kind of important. So if you count it, it is something like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Okay? In the verse we are doing this 8 times. And after that we have the pre-chorus, which starts with F to G, then E minor to F, and then F to G to E minor full bar, F to G to E minor to F. And just the first pre-chorus is a little bit longer. We have another F to G, after which we immediately go to the second verse. But this is just the first pre-chorus. The second pre-chorus, we don't have this last bar, and it goes like da, 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 da. If you're lost, and here we go immediately to the chorus, which is G for full bar to A minor 7 for full bar, and then F add 9. Okay, this is very easy chord, but really funky sound. Time to G after time to C. And F add 9 and G are split in a bar. And we're repeating this. All right, let's see how it goes. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. If you fall, I'll catch you. I will be waiting. Time after time. Okay, and we're repeating the chorus one more time, the first chorus, and after the first chorus we have the interlude, which is the same as the intro, but I told you I'm doing a little peek that I'll come a little bit closer now to show you. Okay, so what I'm doing right here, it's not exactly note by note as it is in the recording, but it's very, very close. It's not exactly note by note because we just don't have the necessary tones. If I was with a low G string ukulele, they would be all of the tones. So maybe if I do a fingerstyle arrangement, I'll do it on a low G string ukulele so it could be a little bit more accurate. Let me know in the comments below, by the way, if you want me to do a fingerstyle arrangement of this. But anyway, let me first show it to you and then I'll explain it. So I play the F chord, and then C, E, A string on the 3rd fret, okay, then on the 2nd fret, then grabbing the G chord, and then C string, and after that open A string to E string, and then on E minor, again C string, open A string, and here we have a little bit faster on the E string, open, and then getting ready to grab the F chord, but before that I'm doing C string 2nd fret, then E string open, and then playing the F. Okay, so let's hear it slowly. Okay, and the second time, just on the very end, we are adding 2 tones. Let me show it to you. After this, we just do on the C string 2nd fret, E string open, and we go to the next verse. And after the interlude, we have another verse, another chords, which is just one time played with the lyrics and one time with a little solo, and after which we go to the pre-chorus again, and after that we have the last chorus. So basically these are all the parts, and for the outro we are just repeating the last 2 bars of the chorus. You're just repeating time after time, time after time, time after time, and you can end it like this. Wow, that's a really nice song. I can't believe that I have not done it yet, but here it is. It's already done. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see me do a fingerstyle version of this song. I think it would turn out good. Also, suggest other songs. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and you'll see me in the next one. Goodbye.